said it before and I'll say it again. Like, you should get friends. You can stop and look around once in a while. You can miss it.
Good morning, everybody. Here we have a Mitsubishi Colt CZC Turbo, and we've done a lot of work to this car. It's had LSD from Quaife, it's had a clutch, an Extreme Stage 2 clutch, it's had numerous modifications, it's got some Dynodaze hoses, it's had a Jap Speed manifold available on the website, and just recently, just prior to going on the rolling road, it's had an Arashi hybrid turbo to make some power. Now prior, there's the EG Civic started up this morning. Off it goes into a nice space. Now prior to being mapped, this had a Kinugawa hybrid turbo on it, and unfortunately that was a pile of piss. So that's come off, and we fitted a new turbo and proved that that was the issue. The old turbo, yeah, had a bit of play on it, and it certainly seemed to be wanting to seize up under pressure. So initially it didn't make the power that we wanted. Whilst it made the foot-pound of torque that we were going to cap it to, the high-end brake horsepower wasn't there because it wouldn't flow. Whereas this Arashi is flowing. So we've just got to finish off the map this morning on this, and then that will be good to go. It is a lovely car. It's got some nice modifications on it. It's got a Scorpion system on it. It's got a K&N induction kit, again from ourselves. Yeah, and then Ecutek license flashed on it. Uprated injectors because it's going for this hybrid stage 2 power. It's got a full AirTech system on it. So the front mount intercooler's there, and it's keeping the charge temps down. Basically this car is where we would want it. The only thing personally I would change out is the 15-year-old Evo dump valve. People think that that's a good upgrade. It's not a good upgrade. It doesn't do any better than the standard plastic valves if they work well. The only difference between a Colt valve and an Evo valve is the Evo one's made out of metal. But you've got to understand that, yes, it's made out of metal, but the insides are still a good 5 years older than the Colt stuff. So a standard valve would have been okay, but in my personal preference, I'd always go for a Forge RS valve, also available on the website. So we're expecting over 250 brake horsepower out of this car today. Anything over that is a bonus. You guys will see soon that recently we fitted an Arashi turbo to Jason's Stage 2 Colt. Jason's Stage 2 Colt was making good power, 220 brake and 240 foot-pound of torque. Fitted an Arashi turbo, which flows so much better at the top end. Bigger blades, etc. It's just a better turbo, and he's really happy with his power. So there's a video coming from that very, very soon. That'll land on the YouTube page. So yeah, so a couple of videos of running through this on the dyno, and then a final power figure for you guys to see what can be made. I'll make a list of modifications in the comments below, and we'll yeah, and we'll get on with it. Good morning, Jason.
Hello.
How's your car getting on, brother?
Very good.
How fast is it?
Very fast.
Very fast. You liking it? Because yours has got the Arashi turbo, same as this one, hasn't it?
Yeah.
What do you reckon in sort of difference between stage 2 power and stage 2 with hybrid Arashi turbo?
Totally different.
Totally different.
Totally different.
Well worth it. Good, good. Yeah, the Arashi turbos are 550-ish quid. And we've usually got them in stock now. We've done a lot of tests, and obviously Jason's the guinea pig. He's always the guinea pig. So it's early, ain't it? It feels early.
Yeah.
I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Yeah, so Jason's usually the guinea pig, and his car's done really, really well. So there's a video coming to that soon. So keep your eyes out for that landing. And yeah, again, we'll make a list of mods, etc., and you guys can see what we're doing. Morning, Richard. Right, this one's warming up. I'm going to tap all the details back into the dyno computer, and we shall, once the AFR sensor's warmed up, which it has, we'll be able to get cracking. Okay guys, let's see what she sounds like on the dyno. Talk to me about the Arashi
I don't
turbo.
want to talk to you about the Arashi turbo. I'm going to map it first, then we'll talk about the Arashi turbo.
Okay, but you do like it though, don't you?
What?
You do like the turbo.
I don't want to make love to her or anything like that.
Oh no, that'd hurt badly. Well, there she is. Quiet result for this Mitsubishi Colt CZC Turbo using the Arashi Turbo. We have used the Ecutek software to custom remap it up to 263 brake horsepower and 244 foot-pound. Wheel horsepower 240. Pretty good results. Great turbos. Yeah, we're going to sell a lot of these.
Said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.